Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a Facebook page. First of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you're provided with 6 icons. You click on the last icon that says menu, and then you scroll till you see pages, which is under all shortcuts. You click on pages. At the top, you see create, liked pages, and invitations. Here you click on create and then get started. You start with the name of your page, and B. Then you click on next. You can search for your categories or you can just choose any here. For example, you click on create. You can write a bio, contact using your website address, your email address, your phone number, your location, your hours available, always open. You can type in your address, your postcode, and the rest. Here you click on next, and then you can add your profile photo. Click on next again. You can connect it to your WhatsApp page, or you can just click on skip. You can build your audience and you can look through this, and then if you'd like to turn them on or off, it all depends on you. So you click on done, and there you have it. A page will be created to your Facebook account. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.